Checkmate 007 coming back at you. I'm finna hit you for this breakfast morning special. Now, this nonsense that I've been saying really making me mad. So I gotta do it to you. You niggas are not better off single. And y'all need to get this through your heads. When the white man broke the black family structure, y'all power went right along with it. And you can see the downward decline since MLK and X passed. Somehow, they had convinced your silly ass that being single is better. Not true. You get a better tax rate when you're married. Yes, you get the best tax rate when you're married. But let's hold off on a bit. You silly ass black people want all the benefits of a relationship without a relationship. This has to be the dumbest fucking logic of thinking of this generation. Y'all all want y'all cake and ice cream and no sacrifice to go with it. It's just complete ludicrousness and a half. Now, the white man can control you easier when you're single because it's easier to manipulate you. You can tell just by how stupid the stupid ass shows are. God, they're retarded. They're not even entertaining no more. It's just a bunch of drama for your drama already filled ass life. I'm telling you, say that I told my mama. Wherever you put your time and energy at is where your ass gonna go. So if you put your time into nonsense, that's exactly where you're gonna go. If you put your time into what's gonna kill you, that's exactly where your ass gonna go, 6 feet under. And boy, guess what? I ain't showing up to the funeral if your ass want none in life. Let me say that again. I'm not showing up to the funeral if your ass want none in life. Now, let's bring that back. We're not done today. When black men are single, the white man has wrote them off to whoop their ass financially. So their number one excuse is I'm struggling to make it in the system. When a white man beats your ass, you know what he got black women thinking? I can't find a man. He got your ass going in circles with this prerogative. And somehow when y'all think y'all overcome it, y'all still don't go no goddamn well. I just get a bunch of money and still complain about the same shit. Yeah, money wasn't the problem to the situation, was it? I don't think so. It's a problem to your ridiculous existence. Now, when we are together, we're more focused and we're more powerful. I don't believe racism is the number one key factor of why we have such a wealth disparity. I believe there's a whole lot that goes into it. But y'all can start by stop believing in your hearts that you're better off single because you're fucking the kids up. We the first generation in 50 years to see the whole last results that 50 years didn't work. I want you niggas get it together. I have no idea what the hell be going through your head half the time. When y'all say the half the dumb shit out y'all mind. Literally, it's so obvious. I guess y'all just must sit back and be like, if I realize the truth, I have to realize I'm full of shit. I guess that's what it is, bro. You better take it to the toilet and flush it. Get a new line of thinking. My brother said, stay in your motherfucking lane. But he also should have told your ass to upgrade so you could change lanes. But you niggas trying to upgrade all the external but no internal and wonder why your problems haven't changed. It's real simple. Whatever's inside gonna come out. That's why when you hear all the gay songs, right? It's I'm coming out, right? I want the world to know. Okay, y'all need to get it together. It's real simple. A, B, C, you fucking up. And get your ass outside and get this vitamin D. But Checkmate 007 out, bro. That was your breakfast edition. I'll be killing me, man. Check me out on the gram. It's Checkmate 007 and YouTube Checkmate 007. I'ma still keep banging y'all head in with this one, bro. Get together, have these babies, and make these empires. We got work to do. Now that's a checkmate. I'm out.